Welcome aboard Alaska Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 9. Discover the best seats on this top-tier aircraft. First class offers ultimate comfort with 21.3-inch wide seats and a luxurious 41-inch pitch. Main cabin's premium class, in rows 6 to 9, provides extra legroom with a generous 34.5-inch pitch. For those needing quick exits, opt for overwing exit rows 16 and 17 with a spacious 37.5-inch pitch. Avoid rows 18 to 34 on the starboard side for tighter legroom. Enjoy modern amenities like universal AC, USB sockets, and GoGo 2QU Wi-Fi. Tell us in the comments which airplane you'd like us to review next.